To create an option button, we need developer menu. Click on file, click options, click on customize ribbon, and just add custom tabs and groups here. Click on custom tabs and groups. Click select developer and add button. Click add button. Click OK button. Click on developer. Go to insert. Click insert. Click option button. Click 3. Draw here and copy 3 button here. Edit text in the button. Change it as land. Next button as air. And the third button as sea. Right click the button. Click format control. Tick any cell reference. I am using here as G2. Click OK button. Now when we click here, it's number 2, 3 and land as 1. Okay, fine. Now I am using here the filter function to filter based on option button click. So just filter the filter array as this part, comma, filter condition as mode number equals this cell reference, comma, if not found, blank, close bracket. In case we change to air, it will be air. In case we change it to sea, it will be sea. Now I don't need this number. I need only the mode only. I want to remove this number. I'm just removing this number. And I want to get the result also. So that's the reason I am using choose function, choose, open bracket, click the index number, comma, first value land, second value air, and third value sea, close bracket. Now when we change the cell reference, it will be air, land, and so on. So now I will use the filter function again based on this choose function result. So I am just removing here, starting the filter function again here, filter, open parenthesis, select the range, comma, and second range as mode. This is a conditional range, criteria range, equals this cell reference, comma, if not found, blank. Now when we change the option button, it will affect. I hope you understand this video. Thank you very much.